August 11 in art history, a day that marks significant milestones in the creative world. On this date in 1888, the renowned artist Vincent van Gogh created his iconic painting The Sower, capturing the essence of hard work and hope. Fast forward to 1973, when hip-hop culture began to take shape at a block party in the Bronx, blending music and art in a revolutionary way. These moments remind us of the power of creativity to inspire and connect us. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this journey through art history, consider following us for more inspiring stories.